Introducing SaveIt, your clean and effortless way to save and organize the links you love. For free, you can add new applications, view your saved applications, see chart views, add items by category, and view them. Now I'm on the job portal. As you can see, the URL is automatically added. I'll fill out the other details like the job title or application name, add any additional notes, and then save them. All of the applications you add are saved with a date and a default status of applied, which you can change at any time. The data stays persistent as long as you don't clear your Chrome storage. Your link is also saved, so you can open it anytime you need. To organize even better, SaveIt includes a Create Category feature. You can create your own categories, save applications based on those categories, and even assign a color code of your choice. Add as many categories as you like and organize everything effortlessly. And the best part? Your entire workspace stays clean and structured, making it easier to track progress, revisit applications, and stay focused without ever losing important information. For example, I'm saving the current application with some additional skills, just like I showed before, only this time, I'm adding it to a category for better organization. Now I can view it by category and perform all the operations I demonstrated at the beginning. You also have two options to view your saved data. You can view all saved applications together, don't worry, every entry still includes its category tag, or you can filter and view them by category for a cleaner, more focused view. SaveIt also includes a status chart feature, where you can instantly see the breakdown of all your applications, the percentage that was selected, interviewed, rejected, or received no response. It also comes with a handy option to download the chart as a PNG image, in case you want to share your progress on social media. If you have a lot of applications and want a better place to review, modify, or delete them, you can use the View as Website option. It opens all your data in a clean website-style layout inside the extension. Everything you see on this page has the exact same data you saved in the Chrome extension. You can update statuses, check your chart, and even open your saved links directly from here. So go ahead and save all your applications with SaveIt. It's completely free, and you don't even need to log in.